Okay, this is a test of the SARAMONIC V Mic 5 Pro. 8.5 inches away from my mouth. Testing 1, 2. Mic check. Testing 1, 2. This is the same. This is a test of the SARAMONIC V Mic 5 Pro with a 75 roll-off, the bottom end roll-off, at 8.5 inches away from the microphone. Testing 1, 2. Testing 1, 2. Test. This is the F2BT Zoom recorder with its lav mic from 8.5 inches away. Testing 1, 2. Test. Testing 1, 2. Microphone check. Testing 1, 2. This is the SYNCO, 8.5 inches from my mouth. Mic check. This is with the no lav mic. Testing 1, 2. Microphone check. Testing 1, 2. This is the SYNCO with the SYNCO lav mic plugged in. 8.5 inches from my mouth. Testing 1, 2. Microphone check. Testing 1, 2. Test. This is the Hollyland LARK 2 test from 8.5 inches from my mouth. Testing 1, 2. Microphone check. Testing 1, 2. Test. Microphone check. This is the Hollyland LARK 2, 8.5 inches from my mouth with noise suppression off. Testing 1, 2. Microphone check. Testing 1, 2. Mic check. Testing. This is a test of the DEITY D-Mic 3 Pro. Testing 1, 2. Testing 1, 2. This is a test of the DEITY microphone D3 Pro. Testing 1, 2 with a 75 roll-off, 8.5 inches away.